So hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog, and it is day 2. Yesterday we stayed at this wonderful property which I will show you just in 1, 2 and 3. This is our first bedroom. Nice and spacious. A living room, kitchen area. The second bedroom. Third bedroom. So, Mama, how did you like the property?
Actually, it's a nice idea to stay in between on the way to Manali, and this property lies on the main road near the national highway. To reach Manali, it's good to stay over here for the full night. And in the morning, early morning, you can start from Manali so that before night, before dark, you can reach over there. And this property as a whole is very nice. For family stay, it's excellent. We have 3 bedrooms over here, and a nice kitchen also is available. And if you want to prepare your own food like Maggi or chicken fry or something like that, who are non-vegetarian, and for vegetarian people it's also very good. I suggest to stay over here for a full night, and you can make yourself again enthusiastic and move forward for the next day.
Finally heading towards Manali.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon.
See the view, man. It's looking like another planet or something. So finally we have clocked around 90 kilometers from our hotel and having some Maggi and stuff on the way. So इन पहाड़ों में आप मैगी नहीं खाई तो फिर कैसे चलेगा काम? आप लोग भी खाइएगा.
Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up.
लेफ्ट साइड में पूरी रिवर ब्यास चल रही है मनाली के रूट पे, और इधर बहुत स्लो हो गई है कार की, इसीलिए वो डिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा, टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा बता रहे, डिस्टेंस तो कम है, अराउंड 3 hours 40 minutes बता रहा है 106 किलोमीटर्स के लिए। सो ये रास्ते में एक ऐसे ही पुल आया है, तो हम लोग ऐसे ही आ गए। दोनों साइड रिवर है, ब्यास रिवर। वाह,
I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. See the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again.
let's go back to the pavilion. Come on. Oh.
Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my.
So ये देखिए अब स्नो हम लोग को दिखने लग गई है, स्नो कवर्ड माउंटेन्स, एंड फील आ रही है कि हम मनाली जा रहे हैं फाइनली। पूरी आप देख सकते हैं, पूरी रेंज स्नो से है भरी हुई। अराउंड 20 kilometers more to go for Manali, and we have booked a cottage and we'll directly go there for a bit. We'll rest there and then maybe go to Manali Mall Road later in the evening. So stay tuned.
Brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day.
So finally we have reached Manali and we have booked this cottage. I'll just show you how it is, and it's around 6 p.m. We got late because the road conditions are really bad and the traffic as well, and then we stayed back there, which you have seen at Beas River, the beach of the Beas River. So that also get us a bit delayed. So yeah. So finally this is the entrance. We have our own private balcony, as you can see, and everything is done in wood. That is the nicest part about this. Everything is done in wood. I'll show you the rooms and the cottage. So this is the door, and this is also full wood and stuff. These are the sofas, living room basically. My sister, she's working, and this is the dining area, kitchen area. Wait, so this is the kitchen area. It is nice, and then there is this room with attached bathroom. Hello. So this is the first room, and loving this wooden texture, man. And in morning we'll see the view outside how it is. And there is the second room as well. I'll show you it. So this is the second room, and here is this wash basin and stuff. And this is the second room. It is also really spacious. Every room is spacious. And so we'll be staying around 4-5 days here, and we'll show you more in the morning. Right now I'm tired a bit. We'll do our dinner. Maybe if we'll go to Mall Road, I'll show you something. If I'll go tomorrow, then I'll show you tomorrow. So see you. Tada. Bye bye.